What's going on, guys? Bubba here for a new video, and today I'm going to be talking about how yesterday Ford finally produced the 10 millionth Mustang, which is absolutely insane if you think about 10 million Mustangs. And again, before I start this video, because this is an inside shot, my house flooded during Harvey. I got 10 feet, so that's why. If I don't say something at the beginning of the video, somebody always puts it in the comments. Now, the 10 millionth Mustang was actually a convertible Wimbledon white Mustang. And it's kind of cool that Ford decided to go with Wimbledon white, because Wimbledon white is not on the available colors for the Mustang this year, but it was the color of the very first Mustang ever produced, and the very first Mustang was also a convertible Mustang. Only 25 other car models have been able to sell 10 million or more, so it's cool that the Ford Mustang is one of them. Two other notable Fords that have sold more than 10 million is the Ford Model T and the F-150, which the F-150 I believe is at like 40 million right now. And to the owners, the Mustang really isn't just a car, it's really an experience. You know, most people have, Mustang memories, whether it be from their uncle owning a Mustang to their sister's boyfriend owning a Mustang. Everyone has that Mustang memory. So to celebrate this event, Ford, they were able to get a model of a Mustang from every year throughout the production cycle, and they all brought them to the Ford plant, and they actually got all the Mustangs deparked and actually spelled out 10 million from above, and in the comma marks, it was the first Mustang and the 10 millionth Mustang. So that's really cool that Ford's actually doing those little tiny things. Now, as far as the destination for the 10 millionth Mustang, I personally think it should stay with Ford in their Ford Museum, right there along the first Mustang ever produced. Ford hasn't officially said where the destination is. They said that they might be up for selling it if the right buyer arises, so pretty much that's saying, if you put down a ton of money, we'll think about selling it to you. And another cool little touch that Ford did is they actually had 3 P-51 Mustangs, which are the World War II era fighter planes, and they had them fly over the event. And honestly, I'm jealous of anyone that got to attend the event. I wish I was up there in that area. I would have loved to go. Now, as far as some horsepower comparisons, the very first Mustang, that was making 164 horsepower, while the newer 2018 was making 460, which is insane, the power differences. And to give you all a comparison, Chevrolet, they've only sold 1.6 million Corvettes, and they've sold 5.5 million Camaros, so Ford is definitely outpacing Chevrolet when it comes to selling, well, the Mustang compared to the Corvette and Camaro. So that should tell you how popular the Mustang is, and it's kind of cool because, like I said earlier, a lot of people have those Mustang memories. And as far as people that I've directly contributed to them getting a Mustang, my buddy Cody back in South Carolina, he wasn't a big Mustang fan when he first met me, and he actually ended up getting like a 1996 V6 Mustang. It wasn't the best, but it's cool because I contributed to him getting that Mustang. 2 other people who've gotten Mustangs because of me are my girlfriend's brothers, Rodrigo and Caesar. They both have 2018 EcoBoosts, and then actually one of their neighbors, he got an EcoBoost as well. So I'm really proud to say that I've contributed to 10 million being sold. I've owned 2 Mustangs myself. I owned a 2005 V6 Mustang and now my 2012. So Mustangs are really just a part of life for me now. But the secret that nobody knows why we even got to 10 million so quick are the car shows. How many Mustang videos have you seen? I can count, 3 off the top of my head that I've seen in the last week. So boys, keep those driving skills up. We'll be at 20 million in no time. But guys, that will be it for today's video. I just wanted to make a little video saying, congratulations to Ford and letting everybody know that 10 million Mustangs have been produced. And if anybody from Ford's watching, my contact information is down below. Do not feel scared to reach out and talk to me. I am here. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.